what's up everyone, we all are waiting for Facebook to release their Facebook app in dark mode, but Facebook, I don't know what they are doing, but here you can see the Facebook app in dark mode. This app still is in beta, so there are some problems, but not any some serious issues like app closing, freezing, that kind of stuff. It works really so fine without any problems, and it's still usable, and I really like this app. It's so amazing to use it at night time, and it's good. The comment tab, everything also fine. Reaction menu, that's good, and there are no such bugs that makes the app unusable, so this works really amazing, and I'm really wishing Facebook will release this soon. There are only on bugs I have found, and it's visible that there are no such gaps between those posts, and hopefully Facebook will solve these issues when they will release it in stable version. So until that, this is really usable, and you will really enjoy this app. And if you are one of those person like me who use dark mode in everything, in every apps, so this is definitely for you. And that's it. I hope it's always in dark mode, so you already know how amazing this can be, and this is really great to watch. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like and subscribe. I'm oheduzzaman, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, peace out.